In this video, I will show how to create trending 3D social media AI image on your smartphone using Bing AI. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Open your browser and search for bing.com. Change your browser to desktop site. Zoom in your browser and click on Images. Zoom in again and click on Create. Paste the prompt you want to use in the box. The prompt used will be available in the description. After that, click on Create, but if you don't have an account with Microsoft Bing, you will be asked to do so. Wait while your image is creating. Your image is now created. You can download it by clicking on the image. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.